What's up guys, welcome back to the Goes to the Next Best video. I'm here at Sydenham. I'm gonna go to Chatswood by train. So I'm doing a collab video of Caleb's Train Vlogs, CTV for short. What we're basically what we're going to do is he's gonna get the metro and I'm gonna get the train. Right? So the agenda for today is that once the train gets here, we're gonna get on it. It's gonna meet me at Chatswood, right? So I hope the transfer isn't so tight. It's tight. I will have to wait for it. Yeah, I'll have to wait for the door. So I'm gonna go up to the front, and I'm gonna see if Caleb's already on the metro. Wait a minute. Very young. We picked this in this video. Nifty 147. I think the front four cars are D47. So yeah, I caught that. Just gonna go check with Caleb. Just gonna go hurry up to the front. I don't know if Caleb's already on the metro yet. So what we are going to do is we're gonna meet Caleb on the other side, which is at Chatswood. So yeah, hopefully we get to meet him at Chatswood. And, yeah. So he's gonna go to Chatswood, and I'm also gonna get to Chatswood. So yeah. So that's. I think his front door is running. So. Or is he still on the platform? If he's still on the platform, then that's good. Oh, okay. He's possibly not. Caleb! Caleb! Okay, good. He is on the platform. It's got D47 and D147. And we have Tangawa arriving into Sydenham. It's not a train spawning session. This is a travel series. While Caleb is on the metro filming his series in Sydenham to Chatswood on the metro, I'm going to be filming my part from Sydenham to Chatswood via the train. So yeah. should arrive in about, I think, say 6 minutes-ish. Five minutes. So that train is coming from. I'm gonna get up at Central. It's gonna. I'm gonna get the metro train. 6. I'm gonna film a more in-depth video of transporting at Sydenham. That will be in another video, but this is just a little bit while I wait here for my train. I'm gonna be doing Sydenham to Chatswood with a train, and Kate's gonna be doing Sydenham to Chatswood with a metro, by metro. Yes. Right here, the next metro service. So, damn it, for the next train to Central, and then I will get to Central in about 10-15 minutes.
The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to City Circle via Town Hall. First stop St Peter's, then Erskineville, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum.
So that's another metro that just came in, set 1. So this is basically the new concourse, and we over there they already have like some sort of cafe or something, and here in the new concourse there's no cafe. So we're just gonna wait here for the next train to pick me up and take me to Central, and yeah. That will be good. That will be nice. We have a B-set arriving into platform 3. Gonna take me to Central, and then I'll change there for horse-B or Winfield service.
The train on platform 3 goes to City Circle via Town Hall. First stop St Peter's, then Erskineville, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum. This station is please mind the grid when getting on or off the train.
Doors are Please stand clear.
Next stop, St. Peter's.
There's the Mountfield Metro up ahead. And this is the depot for the Sydney Metro. Plus the Sydney Metro dive.
This train will stop at St. Peter's.
Over here is another platform. I think it was supposed to be used for.
Yeah, just keep an eye out. I think Stuart wants to go with me. I'd rather not go by myself. As a non-fan.
I don't know, but I think this was supposed to be used as from one.
I would have liked to, but
From zero.
This station is St. Peter's. Please mind the gap when getting on or off the train.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
And we just had a turn guy. We're passing St. Peter's going to Bondi Junction. Next up is Erskineville, followed by Redfern Central Town Hall.
Next stop, Erskineville. This train will stop at Erskineville. This station is Erskineville. Please mind the gap when getting on or off the train.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Redfern. Please change at Redfern for your Western Line, Inner West, Northern Line and Livingston Line services. Next stop, Redfern followed by Central. This train will stop at Redfern. Change at Redfern for T1 Western, T2 Inner West and Leppington, and T9 Northern services. This station is Redfern. Please mind the gap when getting on or off the train.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
But it's kind of weird that only one platform has a lift, which is this platform. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna get back, get ready, go and change because the transfers can be tight. 1 to 2 minutes.
Next stop, Central.
So the stations that are on the metro line that are
Stop Central. Please change at Central for your intercity, regional, suburban, airport line, metro line, and light rail services. Your next stop is Central, followed by Town Hall, and have a nice day.
so the metro line that is like outside is Taiwan, Rosehill, Kelly Vale, Bella Vista, yeah, and Chatswood and Sydenham. Those are the stations that are outside. Plenty of the stations are underground, so yeah. And I think we have the lift that was
This train will
passing.
stop at
Oh,
Central.
or is it that
Change at
lift up
Central
ahead?
For T1 North Shore, T8 Airport, South Intercity, Regional New South Wales.
Okay, we're crossing over to platform 17. We're crossing over to platform 17. They're just making some jobs, making work to have the junctions to on platforms 13 and 14. Platform 15 is not in use. It is currently gone because there's only 14 intercity platforms, and also 14 and then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 10 Sydney trains platforms and 2 metro platforms. So we have at least 4 minutes till the next train, which is gives me a bit of time.
Have a great day.
Thanks, B37 for the great journey to Central. Now, we'll have to see what train will arrive at platform 16. 3 minutes, so probably take about 10-20 minutes to get to Chatswood from here. That's B37 departing.
Arrive on platform 17 goes to City Circle via Town Hall. First stop Town Hall, then
We'll now have to wait for a train or
and museum.
train in 2 minutes on platform 16. So, yeah.
The next train to arrive on platform 16 goes to Barara via Gordon. First stop Town Hall, then Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then all stations to Hornsby, then Asquith, Mount Colah, Mount Karingai and Barara. The train on platform
that is
16
T60.
goes to Barara via Gordon. First stop Town Hall, then Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney.
That is my
then
train
all stations
for
to Chatswood,
the main dog
then
journey
all
to
stations to Hornsby,
Chatswood.
Then Asquith, Mount Colah, Mount Karingai and Barara.
Hey!
Doors closing. Please stand clear. Doors closing. Please stand clear. Next up, we Doors closing. Please stand clear. Doors closing. Please stand clear. Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Sorry guys. A moment of dropping my phone. At Waverton. The next stop after Waverton is Wollstonecraft. And similarly to time and Chatswood, where I'll be meeting Caleb Strange Fox, CTV for short. The next stop is not a game. Wollstonecraft now. The next stop after Wollstonecraft will be England, Time and Chatswood, and this train will be going to Pereira after Chatswood, followed by Roswell, Enfield, Flower, Gordon, Pimble, Tomo, Holy, Woonga, White Tower, Moresby, Asquith, Mount Cola, Mount Quingai, and Ruella.
Doors closing. Please stand clear. Doors closing. Please stand clear. Thanks, I'll Chatswood.
Alright. Approaching Chatswood. Oh,
You stop. I thought we wasn't doing wrong. Boyfriend?
Alright. Finally at Chatswood after like at least 45 minutes ride from Sydenham to Chatswood. And Caleb! Behind you! I was at the front carriage!
You were on the front car? Oh, I was going down there trying to find you.
Oh well, here he is. We met after.
You literally took like 30 minutes on him. You know, I said if he's not on this Ferrari service, I'm gonna bash my head against the railing, and looks like I don't get a concussion. Yay!
Okay, so I caught this Ferrari service. It took like 30 minutes.
I took about 23 minutes.
Yeah. So guys, you learn your lesson. If you're going from Sydenham to Chatswood, catch the metro.
Yes, please do catch the metro.
Catch the metro. Don't catch the train anyway. It's T46. I don't put them for. Anyway guys, I'm going to be wrapping up the vlog here. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. And of course, guys, you learn your lesson. If you have a tight schedule, if you have a tight schedule, please do catch the metro as you will save time. For example, you have to leave home at like 11 and you have an appointment at like 11:20 or like 11:30. Just catch the train, right? I mean, catch the metro, right? Alright, see you guys, and see you in the next video. And goodbye for now.